ॐ शुक्लां वरदरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी। विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः। गुरु साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति।
धन्यवाद महोदय. Okay, let me share the screen. दृश्यते वा? हाँ, न श्रूयते, न दृश्यते.
न दृश्यते.
ओ. इदानीं दृश्यते वा? ओके. ओके. सो भवतः करोतु. दत्तपशुः.
दत्त पशु. पशु which is given then कर्मधारय. No, विशेषण पूर्व पद.
No.
Given, it is given that given. Pashu which was given. Then Tatpurush Samasa.
No, it's not Tatpurus Samasa. Dattapashuhu.
Pashu which was given.
Datta means given, right? Pashu means given by someone.
दत्ता पशु किसी के द्वारा ये न सहा. Then is it could be Datta? You are muted, Mahodaya. Harsha Mahodaya, you are muted.
Okay. Sorry,
No.
I have urgent call.
No problem. No problem.
So,
Datta Pashuhu Yena Saha. Could it be Bahuvrihi then?
but येन सह कथम् आगच्छति?
किसी से के द्वारा यस्य सह वो is it then? I think तृतीया आएगी ना? It should be.
दत्तपशुः यस्मै सह.
यस्मै अच्छा किसी
This
को
is like चतुर्थी विभक्ति आगच्छति किल?
चतुर्थी you can take, but then like परंतु महोदय अत्र like if you are receiving it or like if you are giving it, because it could be giver and taker.
Yeah, both can come up. Okay. एक निमिष.
So Tritiya also can come, na then?
Yes. This is what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Yena saha.
By whom cow was given?
You can say yes.
Okay. So तृतीया अपि आगच्छति. Let me see what I have written. दत्तपशुः यस्मै सह लिखितवान्. So this is the, I think, receiver.
Receiver, yes. Chaturthi.
राजश्री महोदय कर्तुं शक्यते वा? सकला.
आम्. सकलाः वा?
आम्.
सकलाः, कलाः, खले, कला, स्त्रीलिङ्गशब्दं वा? कला, कले, कलाः, सकलाः, कला, कलया, कलाभ्यां, कलाभिः सह वर्तते इति. कलाभिः सह वर्तते इति शुद्धं वा?
Its meaning अर्थं किं महोदय? सकला.
कला सह वर्तते means kala means art.
A person who has a lady who is possessed of all the skills or art, something like that.
किमपि lady अपि पुरुष अपि.
पुरुषः.
One who has all the colors.
Not possible that is it not possible the other one जैसे कुंभकार, that thing is not kala karoti.
No. कथं?
Just asking. Swami,
प्रयत्नं करोतु किमर्थं?
कला करोति इति कुंभम करोति इति कला करोति इति सकला.
What about sa then?
Oh, oh, okay.
So that will become kalakarah.
Ha, kalakara.
Kalakara. That kara word should be there, no? Kara or krit something for that samasa.
कः समासः?
सः पूर्वपद बहुव्रीहि.
आम्. अवगतं वा प्रशान्त महोदय?
हाँ महोदय.
तन्तुवायः. So तन्तु इत्युक्ते I think this is also a bahuvrihi samasa. तन्तुभिः no बहुव्रीहि प्रथमा विभक्ति आगच्छति right. तन्तु
Tantuaya is the weaving, no? I don't know the meaning.
Yeah, weaving.
Weaver
Yeah,
something, no?
weaver. I think weaver. Tantuaya. Weaver.
Then will it be karma that what Prashant Mahodaya told now? Karoti, so vayaha like that.
I think yes. Tantu vayati tantavaha. Not take. It's not one tantu, right? Tantavaha vayati iti tantuaya. Sopapada samasah. Then
I think
right, upapada.
I think it is correct. I can't think of any other samasa. Is it correct?
I think so. It does not come up. I don't know why. I'm trying, but nothing is coming up. Yeah, tantum vayati iti. Vayati. I don't know why it is not coming up. Idani. Tantum vayati iti.
Oh, tantum, not tantu. Tantu. Oh, dvitiya. Tantum vayati.
Ditya vibhakti. Okay, Prashant Mahoday, agrimam karotu.
मानवः मानव. I'm not able to do this one. मानवः.
No? Prayatnam.
मानवः. अन्वः. No, I don't even have the idea. Yes.
Okay. Rajashri Mahoday. भवती प्रयत्नं करोति वा?
अहमपि प्रयत्नं कर्तुं मानवः न महोदय मम
Okay.
संशयमस्ति.
I think it's Manoho Apatyam Manava.
ओ तद्धित शब्द. मनोः अपत्यं
Puman.
अपत्यं पुमान् मानवः. ओ अस्तु. अहं चिन्तितवती तद् समासः इति. मानवः तद्धितः. अस्तु.
Because Parikshayam they are asking everything together.
ओ अस्तु अस्तु. अस्तु महोदय. ಅದು ಓಪನ್ ಪನು.
Okay, so Prashant Mahoday agreemam karotu. Prashant Mahoday agreemam karotu.
Sanatanau. Sanatan. This one also have no idea. Sorry.
Rajeshri Mahoday.
सन् एतदपि तद्धितः एव. सन् सनाभवः सनातनः.
It's not taddita. It's a taddita.
सनातनः is तद्धित. सनातनः सनातनौ. सनाभवः भवौ. सनाभवौ I think. नित्यं भवः.
Nityam. Nityam.
So if it is Sanatanah, it is Sana va Nityam Bhavah Sanatanah, but it is Dvivachanam, no? So it will be Sana Bhavah Bhavau. No, Bhavah Dvivachanam Kim Bhavati Aham na janami.
Okay. So it can be a Sanatani, Sanatano.
Sanatani.
Sanatani cha Sanatano.
I don't know. Nityam Bhavah. Sana Bhavah. That is what Mahodaya has given, I think.
Kutra diyete Sana Bhavaha.
In Bhanu Mahodaya's Tadhita presentation, it is given.
Okay.
Sanatani cha Sanatanaha chava. Oh, etad samasah va?
It's Ekashesha Vrittihi.
But we don't have this, no?
So it is not in our syllabus?
No, I don't think so. I don't know.
Because
It
Bhanu
is-
Mahodaya, when he explained Tadita at that time, he says that Sanatani means Ekashesha Vritti, all the Pratipadikam are same like that.
He gave the 5 types of vritti,
Vritti,
but Mata cha Pita cha Pitarau
Mata
it becomes. That is Ekashesha.
Mata Pitaro.
Mata Pita.
No, Mata cha Pita cha Pitarau it becomes. It doesn't
Yes,
become
yes,
Mata
yes, yes.
Pitarau. That is Ekashesha. Ekasheshi, like this. See, Sanatani cha Sanatanaha cha, only one word remains out
One
of the
word.
2.
Okay, okay.
But I have not
Mata
seen
Pitarau, you're right.
this example.
Mata cha
Huh?
Pitara cha. You're right, like Mata cha Pitara cha Pitarau. We did it.
That is Ekashesha example. This I have not seen, so I don't know.
Okay.
But in Bhanu Mahoday's Tadita presentation, Sanatanaha, if you go, Sanatanaha, he has given Sana and then in bracket Nityam Bhavaha or Nityaha Bhavaha something. Means
Oh,
Rashtriyaha, Rashtre Bhavaha, like that. In that example, he has given Sanatanaha. So I
okay,
thought
so,
it is that.
class 48.
I don't remember the number, but Tadita, special that Vishesha Tadita, it is there.
Okay.
You see.
Okay. I saw this example and I said, let me use this.
Oh, where did you get this, Mahodaya? This Sanatana? Question
It's,
paper.
Yeah.
Oh, Sana. कोविदपुस्तके अपि अस्ति वा एतत् उदाहरणम्?
अहं न जानामि because I received
Okay.
my book. Mama book just few days ago. I received.
Oh, अच्छा. Oh, sorry. I thought. अहमपि नै महोदय, अहमपि पुस्तकं सर्वं पुस्तकं न, I mean, full book न दृष्टवती. Just
I will look then.
Okay.
Okay. प्रशान्त महोदय भवत् कर्तुं शक्नोति वा? पञ्चशाः.
I think all are Panchashaha. Panchashaha. Shashti, Panchacha, Shatacha, Panchacha,
षटच. पंच वा षट् वा. Do you remember? We have only few example for that.
That's why I remember this is Pancha Va O Cha.
Only few examples were there. पंच वा षट् वा. कः समासः?
Dvigu, it can't be. The other one.
Huh?
Dvigu to.
No, it's not Dvigu.
It's the number one. Yes, there was one. There is one samasa for the numbers.
Yeah. Sankhyo.
Sankhyopada.
Sankhyo Ubhayapada.
No, name I don't remember. Sorry. Sankhyo.
कीदृश समास? तत्पुरुष कर्मधारय कीदृश समास? It's a Bahuvrihi. Sankhyo
Oh, it is
Ubhayapada.
Bahuvrihi va.
Am.
Oh,
Only केचन उदाहरणानि सन्ति तत्र पञ्च
अस्तु.
पञ्चशः देन् द्वादश दश वा द्वादश वा something and another is
Was for two,
द्वित्रा
three, or Dvitri.
द्वित्रा
Dvitra. Two and three. Yes.
द्वयोः
Dvitra will be
द्वयोः
dve va,
huh?
dve, na, dvau va, trayah va.
Something
Na?
like that.
Dvau va.
I think we took
Okay.
that example before.
Mm-hmm.
I think so. Oh,
Mm.
Dvadasha. See? Dvadasha. Dvau cha dasha cha. No, but it is not Itretar. I think they give both. Itretarapi and that.
Sankhyo.
Oh, yeah. But I think Samasa Pustake Itretar Dvandva Samasiti Diyate Dvadasha. So we have to be very careful with this.
No, but
No, Harsha Mahodaya, Dwadasha is one number, 12. But this Panchasha is, it is either 5 or 6, like that.
Okay, that's why it's
This is different, that is different.
Okay.
No, but then
That,
it would be
that
wrong
is
here,
the
no?
correct number.
Then, like what this Dwadasha, what is done, it should be wrong then.
No, it is correct only. Dwadasha is a fixed number.
No, that is
12.
correct. But Daucha
So I think
and
that's what
Dasha.
Daucha Dashacha.
Is it correct then?
Must be correct only.
Samasa Pustake
That is
Diyate.
Then it is definitely that is correct only. But
Correct.
here, just the meaning I'm saying, the Dvitra, Panchasha, these are not exact number. It can be 2 or 3.
2 or 3.
Yes,
Right.
either or.
5 or 6, around 5 or 6, like that when we say. That is the that is why it is Bahuvrihi. Something like that is there.
Okay. So Rajashri Mahoday Bhavati Karotu. Anna Bubukshuhu.
Anna Bubukshuhu. My God, really tough. Anna Bubukshuhu. Bubukshu. We have to tell what, Sananta or Tadita or what is it?
No, it's a Samasaha.
Bubukshu is hunger, no?
Oh, acha, it's a Samasa. It is only particular, I think, Chaturthi, no, or Tritiya.
Hunger of this Anna.
Annena Bubukshu, Annaya Bubukshu. Chaturthi va? Chaturthi tat purusham va?
Harsha Mahoday atra na asti.
Oh.
No. Yes, she's got that.
No, aham api na janati.
Uno titko. I think it is Annaya, Chaturthi, I think, Annaya Bubukshu.
Annaya Bubukshu.
It is one.
Why are you
has
saying
only...
it's Chaturthi?
This Annam Bubukshu.
Oh, Dvitiya. Astu. Annam Bubukshu. Astu. Annam Bubukshu. Dvitiya tat purusha va? Bubukshu is a Dvitiya word, correct. But Mahodaya didn't give, I think. Etat pustake asti, Samasa pustake. Na?
Huh?
पुस्तके अस्ति परन्तु भानुमहोदय न दत्त this exam this bubukshu word we didn't see. Annam bubukshu.
I don't know why it is not coming up. It is a Ditya.
Astu.
No, it is not coming up. I don't know why. Ditya.
Harsha Mohoday, like the Uttaram, like which you are giving, like are these correct? All of them, you are sure?
Yeah,
Or
yeah. Yeah, it is correct.
okay, then it's okay.
Yeah, it is correct.
Your favorite has come. Lohakara.
Lohakara. Okay, Bhavata Karotu. Prashant Mohoday.
लोह करोति इति
Am. Kah Samasa.
वो समास है
Huh?
वो समास I don't remember one moment करोति इति ये उपपाद समास है no
Am. Upapada Samasa.
उपपाद समास
Rajashri Mohoday Bhavati. Agrimam Karotu.
Three.
Chaturaha.
Bapre bap. Three chatura.
no this one is easy
Huh?
the one
Aham
which
na
you
janami. Huh?
no त्रीणि वा चतुरा वा the three
Oh,
and four
astu, astu. You know, aham chintitavati chaturaha ityukte smart. So three chaturaha, I'm thinking what? Three smart.
okay. Don't know but maybe
Three
you are right
chaturaha. Trayaha va chaturaha va. Three chaturaha. But no, but why is it chaturaha? Panchashaha, dvitraha. It will all be like that.
Yeah, it's a Bahuvachanam, right? Shat is also Bahuvachanam. Twice.
Trayaha va, chaturaha va. So it will be Sankhya Ubhayapada Bahuvrihi. Oh, thank you, Prashant Mahodaya.
So for Sankhya Ubhayapada, only few examples are there, not more than that.
Trichatura, Dvitra, Trichatura, I don't know, 4 and 5 what? Panchasha is 5 and 6.
Okay. And the only 3-4 examples are there. Masa Varaha. Masena Avaraha. Samyak va?
Amiti manye. Masah.
no, but
Masena avaraha.
what does it mean
Less by 1 month. I
less
think
than 1 month
avara means I think less. I'm not sure, but just check it once in Kosha. I think it is.
Okay. Bhavati, check karo to. It's like a Tritiya Tatpurush. Tritiya Tatpurush.
Tritiya Tatpurusha, meaning of avara.
Avara. Karo to. Check karo to.
I don't know what is the. My Kosha is not working properly.
oh shit
Avara means inferior, posterior. Oh, the second part of the month. Masena avaraha means the later half of the month.
Later half.
Apara avara, correct.
Samyak
Apara
uktavati.
and avara.
Yeah.
Hmm?
Bhavati samyak uktavati.
No, I told less. It is not less. It is second, like the second half.
Second half.
Posterior
half
or
of the month, or could be anything.
not the first half of the month, later half of the month.
Okay.
Masena. I think so. It is giving that meaning only. It is Tritiya Tatpurusha, na? Masena avaraha.
Go sukham. Korotu.
Go Sukham.
Go Sukham. Whose chance?
Go Sukham, my, what would be like? Sukham of Go. Gauka. Gauka Sukh. Then Bahuvri, it won't be. It should be Sukham. Gauka Sukh. Is it Shashti Tatpurusha?
No.
No.
Maybe. Yeah, maybe. I don't know.
No, I think it is Chaturthi. Sukham, Hitam and all Chaturthi.
Like, have you got the COVID book?
Huh?
Did you buy the COVID book?
Yeah, mama samipe agachati.
Okay. Okay.
So if it is a Shasti Vibhakti Kimartham.
Go Sukham, Gauka
தண்ணி விட முடியாது கெட்டு போயிடும்ல. Oh, it is Chaturthi.
So Gave Sukham.
Gave Sukham. Gave Sukhaha or Sukham. Yeah. Because I think Sukha, Hita, Rakshita and all Chaturthi Vibhakti word.
Chaturthi. Yeah, Sukham, Hitam, Go Hitam.
Kanna?
Huh?
Oh, sorry.
अत्र षष्टि दीयते. गोभ्यः सुखम् इति दीयते. अहं न जानाति.
कुत्र गोभ्यः इति दीयते?
Where I take the example.
गवे. गवा गोभ्यां गोभिः गवे Gobhyah is Chaturthi only, Chaturthi or Panchami. Gave, Gavabhyam. Gobhyah is, I think, Chaturthi form. If you check Go, Gobhyah is Chaturthi.
It's not a Chaturthi. Gobhya is a Sasti or
No,
Panchami.
no.
Bahuvachanam.
No, Chaturthi or
Chaturthi or
Panchami.
Panchami.
It is Chaturthi.
Panchami, Bahuvachanam.
So Chaturthi, right? Gobhya.
It is Chaturthi. Sukham is Chaturthi only.
Chaturthi, right. Over here, our Samas slide madhye api Sukham agacchati ched. It's a Chaturthi.
Then?
That's it. I think I have only few examples left. That's why. So we can.
Oh, we finished all this, huh?
Yeah, we did this. This is
last week.
Right. This is what we did last time, Api. So.
I missed it actually.
Chinta mastu. So
Harsha Mahodaya.
Have you?
Huh? Vadatu.
Like one, like did you, like once you have sent something regarding the samasa, like you have put all the samasa in one slide, or like in one you did something?
In one. No, I did not put anything. Whatever we are doing over here, that's I had it.
So once Bhanu Mahodaya said something, was it done by you or by someone?
No, that was somebody else.
Yes.
I think that was Excel sheet. Huge list of samasa he sent.
But were all the samasas in that sheet or not?
Yeah, everything is there in that.
Everything is
lot
there.
Of examples. I don't know what was there, but lot of examples.
Yeah, but
do you
see,
remember,
I have questions, few of them like before, so I have to confirm with them.
Mahodaya, okay.
Yeah, so that's why I did not put in a slide or anything. Whatever we are doing over here is like that. Okay, so Pratna Shlokam Karotu, and Tadanantaram we will discuss whatever we have.
Are you sharing this sheet, Mahodaya? Can you upload this on the notes?
But what happened that I'm not sure all the answers are correct.
Achha.
In the beginning, I don't know. Whatever just now I did, I know that this is the right answer.
Okay.
That's why I am not sharing. Okay. So Pratna Shlokam Karoti va?
Should I do?
Prashant Mahoday.
Prashant Mahoday.
Shanti like Shanti Part, no?
Oh, Purnamada.
Okay. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Dhanyavad.
Dhanyavad.
Dhanyavad.